What's up YouTube, it's me again with Narby video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to replace this guy right over here. I know it's like kind of blue, but check this out. You can change this to rainy or to nighttime. And let's go back to the sequel. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to replace this guy right over here. So yeah, we're gonna be showing this in After Effects, guys. But before I do this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please put the notification down there to get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. Okay, so let's get started with another video, guys. Wait, let me just change this guy to red. Okay guys, so let's try to restart by create just a new comp. So I really have created this new comp here, which is actually I captured just in my camera, I guess. So let's try to RAM preview this. So you can really see me in the background. Just wait for it. Let's put this into full, and you can hear some walking just in the background. Okay, click spacebar. Let's try to see. Okay, as you can see, there is actually me in the background just walking around. You see that me is walking around. As you see, there is this cloud here. Just wait a minute. Just are you kidding me? Guys? Are you kidding me? Guys? Oh, here. You see, this is a little cloud here. So enough with this nonsense, guys. Let's try to replace the sky. In order to replace the sky for this, you must click on Effect, Color Correction. No, not that. But you must click. You must click on the keying and just click on Color Range. I'm gonna select parts of the video. This. I click on transparency, and I'm just gonna really click on this mark here. Just you remove some of the sky. Just try to really increase this. Guys, decrease that a bit. As you can see, my clothes is messed up. Guys, I'm gonna really fix that later. Guys. We're gonna refix that, guys, in a moment, guys. Sometimes you had something like this, guys, which is kind of like I can really see some outlines. So sorry if my English is bad, guys. Wait, you must adjust depending on your footage. Guys. See, except for the cloud, guys, that's fine, guys. Try to really put it something like this. Something like that. We're gonna refix that, guys. In order to fix that, we have to click on Edit, Duplicate, or Control D, guys. So I have to really duplicate. No, not this. The footage. Okay, I must delete the color range for this time, guys. Okay, right over here. Sorry if my tutorial's bad. I still may need color range, guys. So this time I'm gonna redraw mask underneath it, guys. Underneath the footage, guys. I forgot to remove the color range, guys. Draw a mask. Wait, what the hell is going on here, guys? Wait, what the hell is going on here, guys? Ah, just kidding, guys. If it's without this. Wait. I'm sorry if this is messed up, guys. I'm really sorry. Sorry if the tutorial's really bad, guys. Wait, increase that a bit, guys. Until I really see a bit of the. Okay, just remove this guy, guys. So what I'm not gonna do is to import like an image file or just simply like a video file, guys, for this one. So I'm gonna be making as let's see what I'm gonna make today. Let's see. Wait a minute. Today we're gonna make a night scene, guys. So I have to create this photo here. So you can download any photo, guys. Any photo on the internet, guys. And you just drag the photo behind it, guys. And you just Control Alt F or simply edit or just simply go to wait, I forgot where that I'm doing this. Go to right click, transform, fig to comp, so it's Control Alt F. As you can see, we got this very beautiful night scene.
Something special. Something special like what? I don't know. Hey, soft fried chicken.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put scale bit. Yeah, we're gonna really do the traditional way. It's not like the ones that you see on like these guys, but sometimes you guys don't have these like Red Giant's Magic Bullet, so I'm gonna do this in a very traditional way. So click on color correction and click on curves. So let me try to adjust this a bit. Okay, a bit. That's something I wanted a bit dark. Because this is sky replacement video, not enough. A bit blue. It depends on your footage, guys. Depending on your footage, guys. It depends on your footage, guys. Make sure you have your correct adjustment for your footage, guys. Okay, that's not actually good yet. So let's come back to effect, color correction, and hue and saturate. So let me put down the saturation a bit, guys. A little bit, yes. And the lightness, a little lower, guys. Because as you can see, like nighttime, that you really picture like the Milky Way galaxy, and there's a person. It's like really dark here, so I have to really just into the darkest look. Okay, that looks good, but I have to adjust the photo too. We need to adjust, guys. Oh shoot. That is too much, guys. That's really too much. Think about this, red. So all my tutorials are long. Let's put like about this. Sorry for the background noise, guys. You can see green and blue. Yes, that looks so good, guys. So if your footage has a movement, then you go to animation and click on track motion, guys. If you click on your video, if there's any movement on your video, so mine doesn't have any movement, guys. If there is, guys, there is. As you can see, the footage is a bit messed up, guys. Shit's at the front. Oh, sure, I copy and paste right over here. Paste again, guys. Copy, paste again, guys, to make sure it looks the same, guys. Paste. No. You need to copy the curves too, guys. Copy and paste. Copy, paste. That we got the same as the finish. This time without the color range. As you can see, the footage is much more darker. Looks really good footage, guys. So guys, this time I'm gonna just select all and just recomp guys, because I'm sorry my like tutorials are really bad guys, because I am so bad at this guys. So let's rename this wait, before I do that, I suggest I have to add some sound effects for this footage guys. So let's import a file. Again guys, sorry if my tutorials are really long guys. Let's do jungle atmosphere. You can download any like MP3 files of the jungle. Name this night video. Let's really cut this and paste. So your footage will just simply sound like this, guys. Okay, as you can see, my footage has a bit of movement. This. If your footage has movement, then you need to track it. Yes. So go to animation, track motion. Where's yes, I can see a bit of movement on the footage. So this time I'm gonna select the coconut right here, and we will start tracking. But before tracking, I had to make a new object for this. And we're gonna start tracking now. So this is gonna really take a while guys. So I'm gonna be right back for this one. Okay guys, I've already done like some like tracking or something because there's a bit of movement. Let's try to parent this this photo to the node. If you don't see this picture guys, or you just you're in here. I don't know what it is. I'm very confused now. So parent it to the node.
If I
really
no. Super play
try to review this.
I want to take a bath. I will take a bath. Later.
Social. Now the sound is kind of obscured. Okay, so let's add an adjustment layer. This new adjustment layer. So I'm just gonna adjust the basic way. It's curves or curves. This one. Let's see. Okay, let's try to effect I don't know, stylize motion tile. You see, this is the width. This is the width. So, okay, let me see. Output height is. Wait. Wait a minute. Wait. What the hell I'm doing this? Wait, what the hell I'm doing this? No, not there. I am so confused. So make sure it's just a black solid. It's black. Stylized motion tile. Sorry, you guys out there are really confused. Try to. I'm so confused, guys. So confused right now, guys. Video call. I am so confused, guys. Don't know what I'm doing, guys. This is more confusing, isn't it? What the hell?
Chucky. No, papaundan ka karon.
I'll select the output height to
Yeah.
80.
Don't record that one because we're talking here. You should do that if you're alone. Just not go to backgrounds like that in the ano.
Wait, 80, not sure, 86? No, I think 76. And I'll set composition settings to black solid, yes, black. Prefer a black solid, no? As you can see, it is more cinematic, it's not just... As you can see, that is more of a cinematic, it's... Because, you know, nighttime scenes in movies is very cinematic, yes. And
Oh!
that is
Nagbuhat ng handsome tao.
okay, guys, that is all for today. If you like my videos or any of my other videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon for the next video, guys. Peace.
Peace!
Ignore her. She's
Ice cream?
shh.
Ice cream?
No, quiet.